Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today we're gonna make garlic bread. Now we need 10,000 likes so you can win the garlic press. Now my dad will bring over the garlic press and then we will show you how it looks like. So then we can get on to the video. So yes, this is the garlic press. This is what you will win if we get 10,000 likes.
Look, you gotta start here. Look, let's
so
put the garlic.
we need to get 10,000 likes by Christmas because my giveaway is at Christmas. Okay, Christmas Day.
Look.
Is where we're gonna.
So here you go. Look.
And that's how and this is how the onions look weird. The onions look like the eggs.
What else?
So yes, the garlic bread is very good, and we're gonna make two. So these are a gift for two of my teachers, and this will go to my YouTube.
How many are you gonna give away? How many of garlic bread? How many of the garlic press are you gonna give away?
Well.
After the 10,000 like on the YouTube video.
We'll give.
YouTube channel.
We have a garage sale by Christmas Day, and that's where we're gonna give a lot of garlic presses. So we're gonna give it to the 10,000. So we're gonna give it to people who liked my video, and the first person who likes my video gets to have 10 garlic presses.
You sure about that?
JK, it's just kidding. The first person will get a garlic press too, but the first person to come. Well, yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say more stuff later in the
Let's go. What are we making today? What are we making?
And we are making garlic bread.
All right.
And I'm gonna help cook, but you won't see me now. You won't see me right now.
So do you like garlic bread?
Yes, I do like garlic bread, and that's why I have my menu thing. I have my menu thing.
What do you have? You gonna help me make it?
Yes, and I'm gonna write stuff on my thing that is for the garlic bread.
Okay. Let's go to the fight right now. Very good. Two more, and then come on, help me. Come on. Come here.
Onion. Smashing onion. Okay. Number 1 is.
Are you writing down the recipes?
Yes, the recipes. I'm writing down the steps we are doing. So number 1 is smashing onion.
Squeezing.
Okay.
Two more runs.
Squeezing on.
What?
What? We are smashing or squeezing onions. Yeah, either of those things.
All right, I think this is taking too long, but let's finish now. Okay, one more. Oops. Yeah. Look at this. Beautiful. Love it.
You love the video?
I love the onions.
Hmm.
Okay.
Wait, one more.
That's okay. That's good. We're gonna put
No,
some.
just one more.
That's okay. We're gonna put some butter.
Can I
Some
help?
butter into it.
Can I help?
How much we have?
Hmm. Then another.
Hmm?
Oh, that's not my version. Can I put some butter in it?
Wait. Grab the bread right there. You see the bread? Bring it up. Put the bread right here. Open through.
Can I put some butter in it?
Yes.
I have an extra.
Oh, I'll give you this. No, wait. Just open up. Bring it up.
So open it?
Yeah.
Okay, so next step is
All
putting
right.
butter.
Huh?
Next step is to,
Are you writing down?
yeah, put
Okay.
putting butter.
Okay, wait. Here it is. Look.
Is that all? Is that all the steps? And then,
Huh?
and then, can I have?
One. No, wait. You wanna do one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get. Wait. Okay.
And then
Go ahead. Go ahead.
okay.
First, put it on. Yeah. Like this. Look. All over. Right?
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Step 3 is
Let's do it.
red.
Okay, we're done. Was that easy?
Yeah.